So we are going to get straight into building websites right now. So there's not going to be any lengthy introductions or anything like that. We are just going to get into the nitty-gritty of beautiful design using WordPress and Elementor. Now, if you have taken any of my courses previously in WordPress and Elementor, you'll know that I like to use local WP to build all of my websites in. So we're going to be using Elementor Pro. And if you only have the one single license, which is possibly already in use on a website that you've already built, then if you didn't want to mess around on that website building what we're going to build in this course on your existing website with the single license of Elementor, then just download local WP from the localwp.com website. I'm not sure why it has a euro sign there. localwp.com. Download the local WP for free. Create your account and start building websites locally. So again, I'm not going to get into what local WP is, how it works, anything like that, because that isn't what this course is about, but it's just going to allow us to build our websites locally using just one single license of not local WP, one single license of Elementor Pro. So we can build as many websites as we want locally using the one license that we have for our Elementor Pro. So really, really cool. It means that we can mess around and play around with different websites and stuff. And only when we want to push that website live onto the internet will we need to then purchase a new license for that Elementor Pro account, or upgrade our existing one where we might only have one license to a free website license or a 25 website license, and scale it like that. So we're going to now set up our website using local WP. So once you've got that all set up and installed, don't worry about what you're seeing on the left here, because these are all websites that I've built in the past. We just want to hit this add local site button down here. We want to create a new website. We're going to give our website a name. Now, it really makes no difference here because you can change this when we do migrate it onto the internet. If you wanted to push this live, you could call it Playground, Sandbox. I'm just going to call it Web Developer Agency. So I'm going to call it Web Developer Agency. Because this website is going to be where we are showcasing websites that we've built in the past. It's actually something lots of my students have asked me to show them how to do, how you can go out and start charging your clients to make money. So why not build a website whereby you are showcasing your skills and showing off websites that you have built in the past for your clients. So once we've given our site a name, we want to select continue. We're going to be working with the preferred options here with PHP 8. Going to select continue. Let's give ourselves a WordPress username and password. Remember, we need to remember these to log into our website once this is done. So I'm going to just call this Web Developer Agency. I'm going to give this a password. And then I'm going to select add site. So that will just take a few seconds to get everything set up. So once that is all set up, we're just going to get logged in and make sure that that is all working. And then we'll jump in to the next lesson where we're just going to get Elementor Pro installed. We're going to get our Hello theme installed, and we're going to set up a child theme, which is something that we should always do as well. So now that this website is set up, we can see that this is now running. So what we want to do is select WP admin. It's going to ask us to log in here. So Web Developer Agency, password, remember me. Go ahead and get logged in with your own details. And we can see that we're in. So I want to save that because no doubt I'll end up forgetting that username and password. So I'll save that password. And that is going to be it for this lesson. Like I said, in the next lesson, we're going to jump in with getting Elementor and our themes all set up installed so that we are ready to go.